Good morning, 8th graders. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 colonial regions. For your do now, you're going to practice a colonies quiz. You are going to try to label as many colonies as you can from the map. Then you will have a quiz where you will choose which colony the picture is labeled as. You will have 13 questions because there are 13 colonies. For your objective for today, the scholar will be able to compare and contrast the geography and economy of the 3 colonial regions. For your knowledge, you're going to need to know the definition for geography. The definition for geography is the description, distribution, and interaction of diverse physical, biological, and cultural features of the Earth's surface. And for economy, the definition is the ways in which a country or region make money. So we're going to start talking about the New England colonies. The geography for the New England colonies were they had rocky soil. They had warm summers but very, very cold winters. They had a short growing season. They had coastlines with access to the Atlantic Ocean, and they had natural harbors. For their economy, they focused on lumber, shipbuilding, fishing, whaling, trade, commerce and banking, fur trading, and subsistence farming, which is another word for small farms that provide needs for your family. Excuse me. You are now going to answer a question about the New England colonies geography. Now, the middle colonies. The middle colonies are considered the middle ground. They had a lot of forests with game to hunt for fur. They had a lot of rivers. They had very fertile farmland, and they were warmer than New England, and they had a longer growing season. The economy was based around indentured servants, which were some enslaved and some not. However, they weren't even close to having as many slaves as the South or the Southern regions. Their economy was also based on cash crops. Their economy was also based on livestock, fur trading, and subsistence farming. You are then going to fill in a graph talking about the middle colonies. Southern colonies. So southern colonies had long, hot summers, short, cool winters, long growing seasons, lots and lots of fertile land. And for their economy, they mostly based it off of cash crops like cotton, tobacco, rice, indigo. Cotton was very, very, very big in the southern colonies, and they had a ton of enslavement. You're going to answer a question about the southern colonies. And then we're going to get into tidewaters. So tidewaters and backcountries. Backcountries are more democratic. They are small farms, and the people in the small farms were very helpful. They didn't have any seaports. They were very mountainous. They actually were based off of in the Appalachian Mountains, and they were a lot more poorer than the tidewater. So tidewater. Many plantation owners lived in elegant homes. Slave labor was very, very prominent in the tidewater area. Tobacco and rice were very profitable, and seaports and cities were available to them. The lands were very fertile as well. You are then going to explain how the geography of the South contributed to the growth of slavery in those colonies. Remember, we're talking about the South in this question, not the middle and not the northern. In the South, 76% of the population was were non-slaveholders. However, 17% had from 1 to 9 slaves, and 6.6% had over 99 slaves, or over from 10 to 99 slaves. My bad, I'm sorry. And 0.1%, which is not a lot, which is good, had over 100 slaves. That's what I was trying to say earlier. All right, so for your independent work, you are going to complete the chart that is on the screen for you, and you are going to talk about these 3 regions based on what you just learned. You're going to talk about their geography and their economy. Make sure you use the text tool in the draw section of this part. All right, and your Nearpod is going to end here. The last slide is going to be a cheat sheet provided for you. Again, you can take a picture of this, you can print this if you'd like. It'll help you study for your exam. Now, your exit ticket is going to be on Teams. If you have absolutely any questions or need any help, please reach out to me, and I will see you guys soon. Have an amazing day.